Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hidden deep within the vast expanse of the Sahara Desert lies one of the planet's most intriguing geological wonders, the Eye of the Sahara, also known as the Richat structure. But what exactly is this mysterious formation, and how was it discovered? From space, the Eye of the Sahara looks like a giant bullseye, a circular formation that spans nearly 50 kilometers in diameter. For years, its origins puzzled scientists and explorers alike. Located in the heart of Mauritania, Africa, the Richat structure was first thought to be the remnants of an ancient meteor impact. However, further studies revealed something even more fascinating. The Richat structure is actually a highly eroded, elliptical dome made of sedimentary rock that dates back hundreds of millions of years. It's believed that the formation began around the same time as the breakup of the supercontinent Pangaea, approximately 100 million years ago. Over time, geological processes such as uplift, weathering, and erosion sculpted the land into the unique, concentric rings we see today. The Eye of the Sahara is a perfect example of how nature can create symmetrical beauty out of chaos. The Eye of the Sahara remained largely unnoticed by the outside world until the advent of space exploration. In the 1960s, during the Gemini 4 mission, NASA astronauts James McDivitt and Edward White were the first to observe the Richat structure from space, using it as a visual landmark. Its distinct shape and size made it easily recognizable, even from orbit. Once identified, scientists were eager to study this unique formation. What they found was a wealth of geological information, evidence of ancient rivers, diverse rock types, and clues that have helped us understand Earth's natural history better. The Eye of the Sahara has also sparked numerous theories and myths. Some believe it could be the remnants of the lost city of Atlantis, while others speculate about ancient civilizations. Although these ideas are intriguing, there's no scientific evidence to support them. While the mysteries surrounding the Richat structure may never be fully unraveled, what we do know is that it serves as a powerful reminder of Earth's geological forces at work, an enduring testament to the power of nature. The Eye of the Sahara is more than just a geological wonder. It's a window into our planet's deep history, a natural marvel that continues to captivate and inspire. If you enjoyed this journey into one of Earth's most fascinating formations, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon to stay updated on more mysteries of our world and beyond.